guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and as you can tell, I am in the full swing of Halloween mode. I've got a card to share today that is really a mishmash of stash items. This is a bit of a stash buster. I used different elements from different collections, and it didn't matter to me that they weren't matching, but they all had a Halloween theme. So I've got this cute little boy with a pumpkin head, and I've added some wings to him just so that he would be even more whimsical. There are some printed holiday sentiments and sequins. I've layered on a black doily. That's from a die cut doily, and I think that it really helps to bring some layers to this card. I've popped up many of the layers on spacers as well so that it has a lot of dimension. I've included a second sentiment on this clip on the top and added a few smaller flowers so that it would balance the larger arrangement here at the bottom. These are Little Birdie Crafts flowers and some from Prima. I've added that to some chipboard stars that are finished in silver, and then some die cut leaves that have a bit of stickles on them so that they have a little extra detail. I added a couple of pearl, I'm not really even sure what to call these. They come from the bridal department, and you would put them in an arrangement, and they come in a pack, and you can just cut down the length that you want to add. So I think that adds a fun little detail to this flower arrangement. And then I have a vintage button here to finish off the little plaid bow.